It sometimes surprises people to learn that there is no qualification required to become a company director in Australia. There are courses available, but you don't need to do them. If you're a member of a company and you're appointed as a director, that's all there is to it. This means that whilst directors of large companies tend to be experienced and qualified business people, directors come in all shapes and sizes, from all backgrounds. Regardless, directors must all comply with Section 180, subsection 1 of the Corporations Act 2001, which states a director or other officer of a corporation must exercise their powers and discharge their duties with the degree of care and diligence that a reasonable person would exercise. Reasonable care and diligence is therefore a moving standard, and the expectations of directors vary according to the characteristics of the company they are leading. In this case, AWA, a corporation, lost a great deal of money when a foreign exchange manager not only made heavy losses, but then concealed those losses. The corporation sued another corporation which had been acting as its financial manager, and that defendant cross-claimed against the directors of AWA, claiming that they'd been at least partially responsible for the losses because they had failed to exercise sufficient control over the trader. The court therefore had to consider what the duties of the directors were in the situation. The court said, what constitutes the proper performance of the duties of a director of a particular company is considered to be dependent upon the actual knowledge and experience of the individual director, the nature and extent of the corporation's business, and on the distribution of responsibilities in the particular corporation. The judge went on to say a director is obliged to obtain at least a general understanding of the business of the company and the effect that a changing economy may have on that business. Directors should bring an informed and independent judgment to bear on the various matters that come to the board for decision. What this means is that the standard of decision-making expected of a director will vary according to the circumstances of the corporation. In this case, the court found the executive directors of AWA were in fact liable as contributors to the company's losses.